Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So for this video, as you can see, naglalakad-lakad kami ni Ashley dahil kami ay bibili ng aming food for snacks later, since umaga pa lang naman. Parang hindi na kami umalis mamaya since may merienda din naman kami mamaya na kwek-kwek na binibenta nila ma'am. Anyway guys, update po sa ating 4th year journey. OJT na po kami.
Yes! Wala pa na.
And onting na lang, onting kembot na lang, makaka-graduate na kami. Yes!
Yes.
Bilge. Grabe, ilang months akong nawala. 3 months ako nawala sa pag-YouTube. Last vlog ko pa is yung nag-HM tour tayo. So yeah. Siya din nagpupumilit sa akin na mag-upload na ako since wala daw siya napapanood. So eto na yon. Start na tayo ng ating galagalan sa OJT. So by the way guys, andito kami ngayon sa Dali. And mag-check kami ng aming snacks. So andito kami sa may bread and pastry area. Hanap lang ng mura lang. Yung tama lang sa atin. Ayun. Eto na. Since may palaman doon, binigyan kami ng mga palaman. Bili kami ng ganito. One tasty. Ano pa ba? Oh no! Napa-oh no na lang ako guys kasi akala ko wala akong dalang wallet. Meron pala. Ikaw, ano bibilhin mo? Drinks? Wow, drinks na naman siya guys. May dala na akong water. Nay, pabalik na kami sa resort. Nakabili na kami ng aming snacks for later. Finally, after almost 7 minutes walk, andun na ulit kami sa resort. Bitch. Ikot-ikot yun. Nahilo na lang. So ayan, 4 lang kaming pumasok today. Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko, Che. Hi! Bitch. First, mag-almusal muna tayo. Ayan, ito yung peanut butter munch. Ito yung pinili natin pinatay. Tikman na natin. At dahil dyan, may isa kang pitek. So it's 11:48 na, kaya mag-lunch na kami.
Kain po tayo.
Haluin na natin! Ayun yan.
Paano pa kaya sa Terence? Malapit na lang.
Imus.
Lang yan sa Terence. Terence pa.
Hey guys, nakatulog ako kanina ng 30 minutes sa Kubo. 30 minutes lang kasi sobrang init eh. Kaya naman, pag uwi na lang sa bahay, babawi ng super haba na tulog. Na para bang wala siyang tulog kagabi. Ash, hi! So it's already 4:10 PM and mag-out na kami. So mag-aayos-ayos na din kami ng aming mga gamit para ready to go na kami at makauwi na. Dahil may ganap pa ako later. And yeah. Kinumpute ko na din pala yung time ko dito and may remaining 362 hours na lang ako. And yeah. Finally, thank you Lord! Bali 1 month na lang ako dito sa Atanasio. Super miss ko to. Dahil syempre parang naging second home ko na din to. Simula nung pumasok ako dito ng 2nd year and ngayong 4th year. So yeah. Nasanay na lang ang keki na to dito. Kaya super miss ko to. Wow. Parang nagpaalam na agad siya na parang tapos na yung time niya ng OJT dito. And yeah, go. Mag-aano na ako dito. Mag-aayos na para makauwi na. And update ko na kayo later sa kung ano man yung ganap ko. Go. Just got home mga sasabilties. And as you can see, sobrang haggard ko na. Sobrang pawisan. Kasi nagbiyahe lang ako. Since most of the time ay pag napasok ako or nauwi, ay naka-joyride ako. And yeah, mas pinili ko na lang mag-commute ngayon since sobrang mahal na ng pamasahe sa joyride and also sa jeep. Yes, mas convenient kasi kapag joyride minsan ganyan. Pero since sobrang gastos ko na sa joyride, most of my baon ay napupunta sa joyride. So mas gustuin ko na lang magbiyahe para makatipid-tipid tayo. And yeah, papahinga lang ako, then later ay may ganap ako. Go! Hey guys! So for today's video ay may event kami sa school and siyang aming alagat at ite.
Ang Miss Hugo Perez.
At ayun din, ang guest,
Guest speaker, guys.
mahusay. So ayusin ko ngayon sa suede. Anong gusto mong ayos?
Gusto ko pang Latina. May parang Mikay Bautista.
Oh, go.
Mikay din eh.
Mikay din eh.
Mikay nga siya.
Sige, mag-Mikay ka.
Awat mga charger.
Mikay Mouse.
Meron ako dyang foundation
Be.
ba?
Mahalaga sa akin yung pagkakaiba. Chinat ko nga, sabi ko, saan ba place mo? Hindi pa nag...
So, ayan guys. Nag-makeup na sila. Ayun na siya. Mikay na siya.
Mikay?
Hi, Cassie!
Hello po. Kasi nga. Ba't ganyan naman yung highlighter mo?
Bukod.
Glitters na yun.
O, bukod. Maganda. Maganda pa guys. Comment down below.
Susuportahan mo?
Si Rashid and si Paula.
Yes! So sila yung naging sa namin kanina.
So, ang daming tao. Pakita na mga tao.
Sobrang daming tao guys. Na-overwhelm kayo. Boom! Sobrang daming tao, di ba? Wow! Hi guys!
sorry. Is not an option. It is a key to a progressive community.
Nakita niyo na ba si candidate number 5? Yung nagpanggap na patay, tapos... Patay na siya! Totoo yan, ginawa.
Gender equality is not just an idea. It is... Gender equality is not just idea. It is necessity. In today's society, many individuals still face unequal opportunities, workplace discrimination, and gender-based violence just because of their gender identity.
Guys, siya po
These
yung
issues continue to silence voices and restrict potential, especially among the members of the LGBT. As a community, we have
Judge kami tatlo.
ensure that opportunities are based on
advocacy niya?
Gender equality. Gender equality.
Together, I stand here today as a gender equality advocate that stands, speak, and act, and not just for ourselves, but to achieve that. Equality is a privilege, it's not a privilege, but a
Next na po si Swade and sana hindi mag-vlogs.
When we say advocacy, it is something we believe that can inspire and change the world. Most of the country will focus on mental health, education, and poverty. But there's nothing wrong with that. So, if awareness can save lives, magaling ka! Tama! As an advocate of HIV awareness, we should not be afraid to talk and to know our status. So if you will be, I will be your mixed handsome chef at 2026, I will use my voice not to impress, but to influence others. Together, through awareness, understanding, and kindness, we can create a future that no one is afraid to show their status. I am standing in front of you because I am ready to be your ears. Will always ready to listen. To be the voice who doesn't have enough courage to speak. All youth and gender can see happiness. Once again, I am rushing to the BSPA.
This woman above everyone is an advocate of gender equality. Gender bias is undermining our social fabric and it values all of us. This is not just about human rights issues. This is a tremendous waste of the world's human potential. By denying women and members of the LGBTQIA+ community, we deny half the population the chance to live life at its fullest. Political, economic, and social inequalities for women and members of LGBTQIA+ community will benefit the world citizen. Together, we can eradicate prejudice and work for the equal rights and respect for all. Once again, this is Rachel Lee, Bachelor of Science in Hospital Management.
Explain ko lang po ano po itong sobrang rating attire. This rating attire po ay gawa po ito mismo ng aking mga kaklase ngayon po mismo araw na ito. Ito po ay ginawa nila during our class.
Supportive GF, oh. Ay, manika. Siya na, magician! Magician siya!
Ang outfit po na to ay ginawa ko originally for Mr. Castro. Ito po ay bawat isang leads
Oo
ay
nga.
full-dedicated. At ito po ay nagpapakita ng aking pagtsaga, pagpupursige. As a gender advocate, kailangan mong maging mukhang presentable.
Tama!
Tama yan!
Marami sa akin ng tadhana, gaya nga ng yung direction. Joke lang.
Kulang na sa kanila, no?
Ang aking kasuotan ay nagsisimulot ng kapayapaan.
Oo nga, tama!
GM Young and Mark Evano, the Power of Collection.
Ay, mahusay! Mayaman! Mahusay! Mahusay! Tipat! Mahusay!
Mali ang music! Walang mali ka nagsasalita!
Mahusay!
Walang angel na
Mahusay! Mahusay!
So my costume, my creative costume is actually made for my 24th birthday. But thank you. My costume is inspired by Victoria's Secret Mother.
Ay, mahusay! Emote! Emote siya, emote!
Naglaro ang puso. Halika na!
Ay, mahusay!
Sasabi mo sa costume nito?
Ganda.
Sakto lang. 10 out of 10. Pero dun ako sa angel na hindi nagsasalita. Mama Mary.
Ayan, hi, magandang hapon po sa atin. Hi everyone! Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I am Jimmy Duque, your candidate number 5. Naniniwala sa isang kasabihan. Wala akong kasabihan! All the way from the southern capital of the Philippines, Summer Leyte. Music po, please.
Tanggalin mo ID.
Ate Nadia.
So, magandang gabi contestant number 1. So, here's the question. What does a gender-equal classroom look like to you? Again, what does a gender-equal classroom look like to you?
Thank you po, Ma'am Jen, for the question. The gender equality classroom for me is the best representation of that is the my section. The classroom of my section. Because as you can see in my outfit, hindi ko po talaga siya tinanggal because I want to wear this outfit until the last moment of this competition. Because pinapahalagaan ko yung effort nila. And the best,
Good evening.
walang lighting sa kasama.
How are you?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Okay, so since you don't feel any pressure right now, are you ready to answer the question?
No.
How do you think empowered women can inspire the next generation? Again, how do you think empowered women can inspire the next generation?
Thank you for that question. I believe that women has long been disrespected, has been belittled by many individuals. And it is evident, sometimes they are calling them that they cannot lead, and they are weak, but yet that is not true at all. I believe that women have that innate value of leadership and strength inside of them. And I believe as an empowered woman, you should empower your other girls too. And together we can create a thriving society where everyone will be inspired and empowered. Thank you.
Magandang gabi, candidate number 3. I hope you are enjoying the night and you added the volume of your hair.
Yes, kahit wala na pong oras, pero pinilit po namin.
Congratulations sa nagdaga ng buhok mo. Anyway, your question is, why is community participation important in promoting women's empowerment?
Next
Do
question.
you want me to repeat the question?
Make it Tagalog.
Ang tanong mo ay bakit daw ang kababaihan ay mahalagang makipag-participate in terms of women's empowerment?
Maraming salamat sa magandang katanungan. Maaari ang mga kababaihan ay sinasabi nila noon na pangbahay lang. Pero ngayon, mas kailangan natin itong i-empower, lalo na sa mga kababaihan. Dahil maraming kababaihan ang tinatago, may mga talento at may mga kaya naman gawin dito sa mundo natin ginagawa. Tama! Maaaring kailangan ng mga kababaihan na mapasama or sumali sa mga women empowerment which is nagaganap ngayong March. And yun lang. Gusto ko lang po itong, I will take this opportunity to thank my designer, makeup artist, and salamat po ang mga nanonood ngayon. Yun na lang! Maraming po salamat.
Hi, candidate number 4.
Hello, good evening.
How are
It's a
you?
beautiful tonight.
Thank you, and so are you.
Thank you.
Okay, so here's our question. How can we encourage respect between genders in both academic and social settings? Again, how can we encourage respect between genders in both academic and social settings?
We can promote gender equality in classroom and in social gatherings, like, for example, in our classroom, gender equality there is really in a good condition. Like, I am actually one of the boys, together with my friends, and they really respect me inside our classroom. And especially when it comes to outside, like social gatherings, they never never nila akong pinabayaan sa labas.
May tama!
Never nila akong kinahiya sa harap ng maraming tao. Never nila akong kinahiya sa mga magulang nila, sa mga jowa nila, even though straight guys sila. And dahil doon sa pinakita nilang ugali, minahal sila ng aking mga magulang. And ngayon ay tinuturing ko sila parang aking tunay na mga kapatid. At yon, for me, is the essence of gender equality sa loob man o sa labas ng paaralan. Maraming salamat.
Tama! May Candidate number 5! Candidate number 5!
So this time, everyone,
Number 5, please. Number 5.
papalakpak kapag binanggit ko ang candidate. Alright?
Dami pa.
Candidate number 5.
Information! QA! 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 QA!
May question kaya dyan?
Q! Ayan, yung QA ka, Ning! Kaya mo yan, Ning! Taki. Awak mo, beer.
Wala ba palakpak?
Galing! Sabay Leyte! Sabay Leyte! Pumunta pa daw yan si Madi.
Dalawa silang magkakaroon.
Mausay siya!
Hi! Medyo po.
Sabay Leyte! Tama!
Meron tayong WhatsApp dito sa hashtag. Ano gusto mo sagutin? Hashtags or
Both!
Because I was born ready, I would like to answer both.
Mausay!
So sa akin yung question kay Miss May tayo yung hashtag. So 1 to 20, pick a number.
Sorry?
1 to 20.
I would pick one because I am the only one!
Question mo, what does women empowerment mean to you as a student and
Thank you!
Thank you for that wonderful question, but sadly I cannot answer this. Thank you. Charot lang po. Can you repeat the question po?
Ano sa tingin mo ang ibig sabihin ng women empowerment at paano siya at ano ang magiging ganyan sa iyo as a student at sa pagiging future leader?
Ang women empowerment ay hindi lamang isang selebrasyon. Kailangan natin ito sa buhay araw-araw. Bakit hukha mo? Bakit natin kailangan empower mga babae? First of all, saan ba tayo nanggaling? Sa isang babae. At sa panahon ngayon, naniniwala ako na ang leadership ay mapapaganda ng isang babae. Naniniwala ako na ang karakteristik at katangian ng mga babae na mapagkalina
na isang ilaw ng tahanan ay makakatulong para magbigay ng ilaw sa ating bansa. Ladies and gentlemen, naniniwala ako sa isang kasabihan, hindi lamang sila isang babae. Sila ay babae! Thank you.
Mahusay si Jamie! Ang galing!
So, bibigyan kita ng hashtag because all we need to do is to expound it.
Okay, alright. Alright. GPT lang yan.
Okay, so pick from number 1 to 13.
Since I picked number 1, I would like to pick number 13 because it was my lucky number. Although, sa iba, Friday the 13th is malas, sa akin swerte siya. Yun lang, siya.
Kapsa Tracy! Kapsa Tracy!
Hashtag Voice of Empowerment.
Hashtag Voice of Empowerment. Hindi lamang tayo dapat na isinasabuhay ang empowerment. Dapat natin siyang iboses. Bakit huka mo? Bakit natin siya kailangan i-voice out? To influence.
Yes.
To influence the youth, the older generation, and the future generation. We have to tell them that this is us now. We have to tell them that we need to empower everybody, not just women, not just gay, not just man. Let's be fair to everybody. Let's empower each other. That would be all. Thank you.
Talent! Talent!
Siyempre, as kabay, advisor, hindi natin pwedeng ano yun na si Ma'am Jen, di ba?
Sure.
So, pwede pa po ba na sa maganda pa ng question?
I don't have a problem with that.
Talent! Talent! Husay! Bago tawag.
Ayan, so magandang gabi pero mas maganda ka pa sa gabi.
Alam mo, ha? Thank you, ma'am.
Ako on the spot, sama na lang din tayo hashtag. Pero ako na yung mamimili for you.
Sure.
Talent!
Medyo matagal, ma'am.
Tama! Tama!
Para sa'yo is hashtag break the balance.
Break the balance. Alright.
Bias.
Bias? Alright. Break the bias. First of all, what is bias? Bias means favoring into something while not giving a chance to the other part. I believe that we should break the balance. Why? Tatanungin ko muna kayo, why we should break the balance? I don't know. Thank you. We should break the balance.
Bias!
Bias. Tinanalo ko na kayo, baka nakalimutan ko. So, ayun, we should break the balance. Because everybody who wants to be a millionaire. Everybody, sino ba ang may gusto ng favoritism? Wala, di ba? So, if we want to break the bias, we should break the bias! Thank you!
Talent! 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 Mahusay! Mahusay siya! Mahusay! Talent! Mahusay ang ate ko! May talent ka pa mamaya! Talent! Talent! Mahusay! Mahusay si Jamie. Candidate number 6 ayaw niya.
Kaka dyan.
Nakakatatot!
Kalakad kayo. Thank you po.
Walang angel na nagsasalita. I would like to thank my friends out there. Sa likod, my vlog team, my volleyball team, and sa ate ko and sa mga pinsan ko na galing pang work. Kasi wala dito. Makikita niyo yung kahihiyan na ginawa ko. Kaya ko lang. Maraming salamat.
Candidate number 4. So, candidate number 5.
Goes which have 81.33% goes to candidate number 1.
Our second runner-up winner is...
Candidate number 4.
Another crown! Ay, birth certificate. Another crown! Another crown! Award! Award! Naibong! Naibong! Hindi, mali yan. Di ba si Naibong?
85.67%. The first runner-up is...
Candidate number
Five!
Sino?
Two!
Candidate number 2.
Sabi ko lang sa Tiron! Cash out 3 months! Cash out 3 months! Cash out 3 months! Ano kumain yung ano?
Yung title.
Title? Pinaps niya siya.
Nagbukas.
Kausay!
Hi po.
Hi guys! Bitch! Tommy ang lahat, laps. Kanto muna tayo ng Perez. Papaprint muna ako. So yan guys, kasama ko na ang title holder.
Hi, guys!
So we're going to Odyssey Cafe. Siyempre,
Coffee muna.
coffee muna. Super pagod sa galgalan kanina. Deserve namin to.
Yes.
Yes!
Responsibilidad ko yun. Nabayaran ako. Call ko nga sila ko.
Hindi pa yung nakakowe. Kabing ka na ng alak.
Isa mo?
Puta na makeup ko pa rin siya. Di ba?
Hindi naman alak yan.
Green.
Glam. Bayro.
Lychee. Lychee akin.
Okay. Ay, pretty ma.
Lychee akin.
Wala na yun.
So we're here na sa Odyssey Cafe. Here at Barangay Hugo Perez bago mag-Gawad Kalinga na kanto. And ayun, umu-order na si Tirol ng aming drinks and snacks. By the way guys, it's already 8:47 p.m. And sobrang aga natapos ng pageant nila. Yun yung pinakamaagang pageant na na-experience namin na maaga natapos. Ayaw nila lumaban ng patas sa akin, nakawalang makeup. Ganda ng light. Kaya na mahuisay.
Rashid, picture mo nga ako.
Lang by Rowan,
Alis na nga yan.
guys. So, I got my first coffee ulit after 1 week na umiwas ako sa coffee, sa soft drinks, sa meat, and sa mga maalat na food. Nakapag-coffee na ulit ako. Guys. Perfect.
Walang is.
Sige na. No, labat ko siya.
Dapat din ako.
Ako namatay na. Yung cellphone, ha? Not me. HIV awareness. As an advocate of HIV awareness, you should have
Boobs.